In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an end-to-end n8n workflow that sends a text prompt to Google Vertex AI-VE03, waits for rendering, downloads the video, and automatically uploads it to Google Drive. Here's the flow we're building and why each part matters. We begin with a form trigger. This is the starting point of the workflow and the friendly interface for your user. The form asks for the video prompt, which describes what you want to generate, and a valid Google Cloud Access token so the workflow can authenticate. As soon as the form is submitted, the automation kicks off. Think of this as pressing the Start button. Next, we use a set node to define the key configuration that all downstream calls rely on. In one place, we capture your Google Cloud Project ID, the model version, which for this build is Veo 3.0 Generate Preview, the location, the API endpoint, the text prompt passed from the form, and the access token. Centralizing these values makes the workflow easier to maintain and ensures the HTTP requests know exactly where to go and how to authenticate. With the groundwork in place, an HTTP request node sends the prompt to Google Vertex AI using the predict long-running endpoint. Along with the text, we include video parameters like a 16:9 aspect ratio, an 8-second duration, and any option such as watermark or audio. Because this is a long-running operation, Google doesn't return the video immediately. Instead, it responds with an operation name you'll use to check status. It's like placing an order at a restaurant. The kitchen got your request, but the meal still needs time to cook. To give the model time to render, we add a wait node. Here we pause for about 2 minutes before checking back. This prevents us from trying to fetch a result that isn't ready yet and avoids unnecessary API calls. After the delay, another HTTP request node calls the fetch operation with the operation name returned earlier. If rendering is complete, Vertex AI responds with the video bytes in base 64. This is just a text-encoded version of the file, not something you can upload directly. That's why we pass the result to a convert to file node. It reads the response field, typically response.videos, bytes base 64 encoded, and turns it into a proper .mp4 file with the right content type so it behaves like a normal video asset. Finally, a Google Drive node uploads the .mp4 into a designated folder. We name the file using the submitted @ timestamp for easy sorting and traceability. The moment the run finishes, your AI-generated video is safely stored. End to end, you enter a prompt. Settings prepare the Google Cloud details. Vertex AI generates the video. We wait while it renders, fetch the result, convert it to a real file, and upload it to Drive. Each node plays a necessary role. Remove any one and the chain breaks. This workflow is ideal for AI video tools, automated content creation, marketing pipelines, shorts automation, faceless video systems, and SaaS products. In short, n8n becomes your video generation engine, your Vertex AI connector, your file converter, and your automatic uploader, taking you from text to a finished AI video saved in your Drive hands-free.